The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera bundle is a complete photography package designed for beginners and enthusiasts. Before making a purchase, we recommend you to check the best price in the description below. Featuring a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and DIGIC 4 Plus processor, this camera delivers sharp and vibrant images with minimal noise, even in low-light conditions. The Full HD 1080p video recording capability ensures that you can capture high-quality videos, perfect for vlogging or personal projects. The 3.0-inch LCD screen allows for easy composition and reviewing of images. Included in the bundle is the Canon 18 to 55mm 2 lens, which provides a versatile zoom range for various photography styles, from landscapes to portraits. The 0.43x wide-angle lens expands the field of view, making it great for group shots or scenic landscapes, while the 2.2x telephoto lens is ideal for capturing distant subjects, such as wildlife or sporting events. To enhance your photography experience, the bundle comes with two 64GB SanDisk memory cards for ample storage, a sturdy 50-inch tripod for stability, an external flash with bracket for better lighting in dark environments, a padded carrying case for protection, and a 3-piece filter kit to refine your shots. Additionally, the extra battery pack ensures you never run out of power while shooting on the go. With its beginner-friendly controls, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 makes learning DSLR photography easy. Its 3 frames per second continuous shooting mode is perfect for capturing action shots, such as fast-moving subjects or candid moments. Whether you're a beginner looking to step up your photography game or an enthusiast wanting an affordable yet powerful DSLR, this bundle provides excellent value with all the essential accessories included. Before making a purchase, we recommend you to check the best price in the description below.